In-depth research can feel overwhelming. Endless searching, countless sources, and hours spent organizing information. With Liner, you can streamline your research workflow and save hours. Instead of spending hours collecting and organizing scattered ideas, Liner's deep research generates a comprehensive 360-degree report in seconds. Simply turn on deep research mode and ask your question. Liner automatically breaks down your question into subtasks, ensuring a thorough and structured approach. It considers multiple perspectives to give you the most well-rounded, in-depth report. To ensure reliability and accuracy, Liner pulls from over 50 credible sources that back up its information. Once your research is complete, you can export the report in your preferred citation style, complete with a full bibliography. Liner's deep research mode is ideal for researchers and professionals who need to analyze topics from multiple angles. Here's how different users use this feature. Lewis, a biotech researcher, wants to explore a new scientific concept to identify potential research opportunities. He asks Liner a simple question, and in return, he gets a detailed, structured report covering fundamental concepts, applications, and ethical considerations. Amy, a journalist, is writing about the impact of AI in healthcare and needs reliable data on its effectiveness. With Liner, she gets a comprehensive report covering key advancements, ethical considerations, and real-world applications, all backed by credible sources from authoritative domains. Liner takes your research to the next level by giving you reliable information and transparent sources. Research smarter with Liner.